In the thriving economy of UAE, where the requirement of advanced CNC machine for various industries are required, Steel Fab 2025 is a pivot to reach to the customers.
So far, it was so interesting. We had a wonderful customers now.
Our experience of a steel fab, I can see that a lot of potential customers are visited, and we have seen the good inquiry, the serious and good inquiry we have found in the steel fab exhibition, and also we have sold many roti table in this region. So we also got the opportunity to meet our existing customers. I believe the steel fab is great success.
I would say that it has been the best steel fab exhibition that I had till now. And this is the biggest stall that we have done in the steel fab. And from the current 2 days, the visitor flow is very good. We are experiencing very well right now.
This is the third time we are participating in Steel Fab exhibition, and every year it was very promising, and there are multiple systems already installed in UAE region, and this time the crowd is also very good, the inquiries are also very good. Definitely we are going to participate for upcoming editions also.
Recently the first time we are coming here, participating here, and it is really good, and arrangements, everything is good, and we kept machines here, VMC, small smart mill VMC milling machine and one wire cut machine. Good response. We kept 3 machines, we have sold out in the first day itself. It's a good response.